Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable maximum image preview option and maximum video preview option for Wix pages. For such result, before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu, so click on it. So we are in site pages and menu, and then you see multiple pages. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots, so click on it. Now you see settings, so again click on it. So we are in page setting, and then you see multiple options. Now click on advanced SEO. So we are in advanced SEO, and then you see reports meta tags, so click on it. Now you see multiple options, and then you see maximum image preview. So when we hover on it, then you see choose the maximum size of the preview image for this page, enable. Now you see drop down, so you can select option according to requirement, and then you see maximum video preview. So when we hover on it, now you see set the maximum number of seconds you want the preview video to play for in search result, enable this option. Now you see second, -1 mean there is no limit and Google will choose the most effective video length. So you can add option or second according to requirement. Now 10 seconds, 15 seconds, so it's up to you. So you can enable both options for multiple pages according to requirement, and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.